Hi there friends, it is Sarah and Bella here. Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a subscription box unboxing, and the one that we are opening today is the Pastel Pixie Halloween Kawaii box. So when I opened up my last Pastel Pixie Kawaii box, it was the Party K one. You guys said you would be interested in me unboxing the Halloween one. So consider your request granted, because we have the Halloween one right here. So without further ado, let's just open this bad boy up and see what's inside. As you can see, Bella is very excited to see what's in it. She insisted on being on screen, as she always does. Because my sole purpose in life is just to pat her, didn't you know? Got my handy dandy opening knife. We're just gonna... Hey! And we're in! That was actually very easy. I know, what's in there? What's in there, Bella? Let's find out. Alright, we're doing an open. Ooh, and first things first, I see some art. So we've got Trick or Treat! Woo! And this reads, which super spooky treats are in our box this year? This is our second creepy theme box, but this time the treats are a bit more on the spooky side. We've still kept a few candy colors in our theme this time around, but this time we have thrown in a dash of traditional spooky pumpkin orange and monster slime green. Very excited. This box is still ultra cute, but with a few more tricks rather than treats. We've got your backs this Halloween with some super exclusive designs only available in this box. Who says Halloween is only for October when you can wear these cute designs all year long? That is very, very true. I am excited to open this up. I am curious what the design is. Not gonna lie, orange and green, not usually my colors, but let's open it up and see how cute it is, and hopefully it doesn't look awful on me. So, well then. First I can see on top is a sticker sheet, and we've got some cute little witchy stickers going on here. I love this character in the middle here. They look so spooky. I'm gonna have to try and find some space on my laptop. My laptop is just like covered in cute stickers and I'm almost out of space, but I think I'm gonna have to find somewhere to put some of these because these are ultra cute. Looky, looky, looky. Alright, so next we have some socks, and oh my lord, these are so orange. Check out these guys, like, oh my goodness, it looks like they're pink and orange drips. They're so gaudy. Oh my goodness, I'm not gonna lie, this orange is kind of killing my vibe a little bit, but it's still very, very cute and very Halloween-y. They look, again, these look like, hang on, words, Sarah, speaking in the English. The Party K box had, like, short socks as well, and these ones look like they would be too. They kind of go like that. So we've got drippy orange and pink socks. Let's pop these in the pile. Next, we've got another pin. So they always have like some socks and a t-shirt and a pin, and it's great because it's been helping me build up my pin collection, and this is adorable. I actually really love this. We've got Mr. Come on, focus. This is sticking in front of my face. We've got Mr. Pumpkin going on here. And Mr. Pumpkin is looking a bit spooky, and he's got his Halloween candy. And that is very cute. I actually really, really love that. So we're going to add that to our pin collection, and I am super excited. Alright, we will add this to the pile of stuffs. Next up, what have we got? Ooh, what are this? Ooh, it says liquid eyeliner. Evil Eye Look Sharp Liner. I wasn't expecting eyeliner in this, but that's good because I was literally going to go out this afternoon and like buy a new eyeliner because mine's almost run out. So this is very handy. We've got, alright, so in here we've got what looks to be like a little pot of eyeliner. I'm just gonna open this up and do a little tester and see how we go. Ooh. So this looks like it's got a foam tip to it. Yeah, foam tip. And ooh, look how sharp that is. We like sharp lines on our eyeliner, so that is good. That's very helpful. Now I don't have to buy a new one. Yay! We will add this to our pile. Next we've got witch's brew, sugar spice and everything nice. I don't actually know what this... Oh, it's a candle! I was like, is this like a candle or is this like some bath products or something? Because the last one had really yummy smelling bath soap. But let's open this up. Come on. Ooh, look, it's all purple and green and sparkly, so that's pretty cool. Oh my god, and it smells so tasty. This smells like... I don't know if any of you guys have ever been to Disneyland, like Tokyo Disney specifically, but they always have like the popcorn stands with the different flavored popcorns that you can get, and they have a like a caramel flavored popcorn one, and you can always tell when you're close because you can smell it on the air and it smells amazing. Oh, and that's what this smells like. This smells like caramel popcorn on the air in Tokyo Disney. And I know that is really specific, but that's what it smells like. Oh, I'm gonna have to turn that on like straight away. I want my house to smell like this forever. Oh, I love that smell. Great, I love this. This is my favorite thing so far. Absolute favorite item so far. Yes! Alright, let's get to the next item. The next item we have got looks to be a t-shirt, and we've got some green and purple and orange spooky things going on here. I am loving this. This is actually really, really cute. Let's just open this up. How do I break into you? Whoop! Alrighty. Ooh, big t-shirt. Look at that. Oh, wow. Look at the pattern on this bad boy. Look at the pattern on this bad boy. My goodness. I am loving this. This is so Halloween-y. And I was, like, after the description on the little card and, like, the pattern on the socks, I was expecting the shirt to be a lot more gaudy than this. But this is a little bit more toned. This is a little bit more toned down. And a little bit more my style. And I actually really like this. This feels like it's like huge on me, even though it's a small. So I think this is going to be going for like the oversized t-shirt thing going on. And I don't know, if it's long enough, I'm thinking that like maybe just wear it as is with like a belt around the middle could actually look really cool. So we will see when I trial this stuff on whether or not that is a thing we can do. So that is really cute. I am pleasantly surprised by this. I love the little pumpkins. I think they're cute. Like, they both look adorable and just mildly evil at the same time, and we like that. Cute and a little bit evil is just what we want for Halloween. So, I actually think that is the bottom of our Pastel Pixie Halloween box. So, you know what that means. It is time for the try-on outfit montage. Woo!
Scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine.
And that, my friends, is the end of the outfit montage. I hope you enjoyed watching my unboxing of the Pastel Pixie Halloween Edition Kawaii box. Let me know in the comments below what your favourite item was. Have you subscribed to this? What's been your favourite box so far? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you know you love me. And until next time, love, love. Bye-bye now.